Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Cassie and Lynn. She and I both are going to be decluttering and organizing our laundry room. If you guys are here from her channel, welcome. I am so happy you're here. I would love if you would stick around and consider subscribing. I will be putting all of Cassie's channel and video information in the description box below. Make sure you go check it out. Now let's get started. Okay, this is my laundry room. We are going to be cleaning it out and organizing. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like before I start getting in here and pulling everything out. These bases my husband made, and I love them because we can put the baskets underneath, and that's great, but honestly I think I'd rather have space up here. So we're gonna eventually take those out, actually very soon hopefully, and he's gonna build me a wooden base up here. And then if I can find an inspiration pic, I will put it in here for you guys to see. And then I made that at a craft party. It's really cute. I put all of the socks on there, but then it got too many. So then I bought one of these from the Dollar Tree, and then the bucket from the dollar store, and these are all the extra socks. I don't know where they are at. Then this is where the Dyson is charging, and my husband built these for me. This was all just open. Right here, all of it was just open, and he built these shelves for me, and I'm going to organize all of this. There's a lot of stuff in here that we really don't need, but this is kind of where the overflow from the baking and you know, the baking type stuff, that's where this is at. So I did make these labels with my silhouette machine, but I'm gonna make this look nicer. Here we go. Got my mixer down here. I don't like a lot of clutter on my countertop. So, and then Ruby's Foods down here, and we just, honestly, it's a really small laundry room. It's a standard builder grade laundry room, and we just need to utilize the space better. I am on the hunt for some regular old cabinets to put up there, not straight across. I want one here, and I want one here, and then I want shelves in the middle, and then I'm gonna make a sign that says, well, I'm not gonna tell you what it says. This will be a surprise. So when I hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving away one of my farmhouse signs. So definitely make sure to tell your friends and send them to my channel. Make sure they subscribe, because as soon as I hit that, I will be actually doing the giveaway by making the sign, and then you guys will see how I do it, and then I'll be giving that away. So, and they value for $90 to $150, so that'll be really fun to do. But all right, so let's get to cleaning. First things first, I'm gonna pull everything out.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. Just wear a finger for people like them. Oh no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. like a borderline. Our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
all done. I cleaned up here. If you remember before, I had 4 up here, and it was always really hard to pull them down. They would pull the other one down because they were really, you know, tightly in there. So I went ahead and took one down. That has all the Dyson attachments. That has all the garage towels or cleaning towels, the stained ones that we use to clean. This here has all the disposable stuff, the plastic forks and paper bags and, you know, things like that. This is a dollar store bin with a whole bunch of just random socks. I'm probably just going to end up throwing these away. Those are the bins I use for my kids' clothes. I will do a laundry routine with you guys, and I'll show you how I do that. There are 4 bins. My daughter has a bigger bin, and I'll explain that another time, but those are the bins for them. I cleaned the top of the washer and dryer off. As you guys saw, I cleaned the floor. It doesn't look great because this is the original stuff. You don't have to have a brand new house or newly renovated or have lots of money to make your stuff that you have look nice. Just clean it. And it's not perfect, guys. Look, I cleaned all in there. That's just the way it looks. And you guys saw me, I scrubbed it. You know, you make do with what you have. I know I would sometimes get in a rut and be like, oh, you know, look, the linoleum is peeling right here. It's peeling. It's ugly. This tile's ugly. But it's what we have, and we need to be thankful for it. So, if you're sitting at home and you're looking around, you're like, oh, there's no point. We don't have nice stuff. Don't say that. Just get up and do it. Make the best out of what you had. I did clean the walls up a little bit. There were splatters. Those are just stains. This is one room that has never been painted, but it's going to be. So I took the other bin that was on the top shelf and I filled it with stuff that I needed, like cleaning type stuff, and my odor cleanse. You guys have seen me talk about that. Really good for strong odors in the laundry. Just, you know, cleaning stuff. Furniture cleaner. Got my wipes, my gloves, carpet cleaner, extra hand soap. So this is easily accessible, and I put it right here. I wiped all these down, as you guys saw. This works better on top of the washer and dryer, or excuse me, on top of the washer, but when it goes through the spin cycle, sometimes it knocks it down and it will bust open, and that is why we have splatters all over the wall. It has happened numerous times. That's actually a stain from it busting open. A brand new container fell down, popped open, the entire floor was covered. It smelled really nice, but when my husband puts one of these wooden tops on top of the washer and dryer, that will go back up there. Then I have things that I don't want the kids to touch, like the bleach. Then here is the baking overflow, is what I call it. I've got my sugar, my gluten-free flour, rice, brown sugar, powdered sugar, marshmallows, chocolate chips, and black-eyed peas, or purple whole peas, whatever y'all want to call them. So, and like I had mentioned before, I have done all of these labels on my Silhouette machine. If you guys are wanting some labels, let me know. I'll have to, I don't have a listing on my Etsy, but just let me know and I'll make one for you. So, then I got the Veggetti Pro. It is really good, actually, to make like zucchini noodles and whatnot. It's really good. Then I have all my Keurig. This is all the Keurig stuff that you saw me pull out of the bin. And this is plaster or sheetrock, whatever you call it. We keep it in the laundry room because when it's in the garage, it gets bad really fast. So this is it, guys. Nothing fancy. Definitely needs some sort of rug. Perfect. That works for now. That kind of just takes the focus off of the ugly linoleum floors. That works. If you don't remember, that rug was actually in my entryway. So I like that. That works. So tell me what you guys think. If you like more videos like these, organizing and decluttering, let me know. Please give this video a thumbs up. You know I always appreciate it. And I'm also going to be doing that laundry renovation, so don't forget to subscribe so you get to see that firsthand. Okay guys, I hope this video was motivational and encouraging to you. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you're new to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you're from Cassie Lynn's channel. I'm so happy you stayed with me. Make sure you stick around and hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload new videos. I have new cooking, cleaning, DIY, organizational, decor, and all that every single week. So make sure you stick around. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!